A bicycle is more than two wheels. It's freedom. It's independence. It's a journey. For some, it's a daily struggle just to reach school. But with bicycles, education becomes easier, attendance improves, and smiles grow wider. Child Help Foundation distributed 9 bicycles to students in Delhi to ease their journey to school. With a bicycle, a child now reaches school faster, safer, and less tired, with more energy to learn and grow. You can reach out to Child Help Foundation to gift a bicycle to a student. This World Bicycle Day, gift a ride toward a better future. Donate a bicycle. Deliver opportunity.